Well, hello everyone. It's Kari from sunshineinmypocket.com here with a new sneak peek at the Crafty Crew Kit from Crafty Stamp Company. This is the May kit, and pre-orders start now only until April 15th. And look how cute some of these images are. Now I have these images all ready to go, and it's just a sneak peek, but I'll have more to show you in a little while. Right now, I just want to color up this cute little chef here. She is one of the images in the stamp sets that you'll receive if you want to place this pre-order. And so I'm going to just color her up for you, and then I'll tell you a little more details a little bit later. So I'm starting by coloring up her skin with one of my favorite color combinations right now for skin. I'm using E04, E11, E00, and a touch of blush with the R81. It's a very simple combination, and I just love coloring these images from Crafty Stamp Company. I think they are just so fun to color. It's very, very great for practicing coloring hair and faces as well. So if you're working on your coloring and testing out color combinations, these images are wonderful for that. For her chef outfit, I'm just using some cool grays, starting with the C3, blending out with the C1 and C0. And I went ahead and colored the rest of this off screen because I used the same color combo for her hat as well. And now I'm going in with some of my favorite blonde colors, starting with E51 and Y11. And then I'm going to go in and add just a few more colors here. But you can see I am just swiping with those colors, just with a flicking motion. Here's the Y11 that I bring in. And I'm just going back and forth through all of these. And I'm making it a very simple coloring and finishing off with a Y000 just to blend that all through. Now I think if I color her next time, I'm going to use some really fun different shades of pinks or purples. This is, like I say, really great for practicing hair. For her cookbook, I am going to bring in some of the pinks that are in that pattern paper to the left there. And I thought it would be fun to just match up this little cookbook with those colors. It's always fun to try to match pattern paper when you are doing some coloring. You can see I've already colored up that little cake there on the left of her, using some of those same colors for the berries and the little pan that it's in or wrapper. So I'll just finish coloring that cookbook, and next for the book itself, just a little bit of an E shade. And now we just need to finish off her shoes. For her shoes, I'm just going to use some neutral grays and bring those in very easily, a tiny bit around the edges of the darkest, bringing in a lighter shade and then the lightest shade of all. So you can see this is a really easy, fun image to color. And I have a few more images there on the left, which I am going to end up coloring off screen, but there's a stack of bowls, an oven mitt, a little mixer, really, really cute and fun for creating cards. Now the last thing I want to do is color up her barrettes. She's got one in her hair and a few bobby pins up there on her chef's hat. So I'll color that barrette to match her little pink in her cookbook. And then for those little pins, I'm just going to bring in some more neutral grays. Very, very simple. And look how cute she is. Now for her eye, a few colors of blue. Only one of her eyes is open, so you only need to color one. But I'll bring in a darker shade towards the top as well. And that's going to finish our image. And now we can put together this card. I am kind of addicted right now to cutting frames. And so now you'll see I am adding just the smallest bit of glue to that frame to frame this pattern paper that comes in the kit. If you don't want to cut a frame, you could easily cut down the pattern paper and then just put a bright color behind it, and that would achieve the same look. With the kit, you'll get a 6x6 pad of paper, and I am going to show everything that comes in the kit a little later on, so watch my channel for an unboxing of this entire kit. And then it also had this other pattern paper that I think looks a little bit retro with those diamond shapes. So cute. So I cut a small piece of that to go on the larger background paper. And then I'm adding the bowls and that little oven mitt right there. The sentiment is super fun. It says, "Life is short, lick the bowl." And that is just so fun. I went ahead and just have that on white cardstock, and I kind of bubble cut around that to add to the image or to the card. And now I'm just going to glue everything down, but pop up the girl, the little chef, with some foam adhesive. So that's all there is to this card. It's so very fun to put together, and there are lots more things that come in this kit. I can't wait to share everything with you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you did like it, because I will have that to show you later. But first, let me give you a little close-up. I'm going to add this whole panel to a card base here, just using my bone folder to close that and reinforce that score line. We'll add the panel with some liquid adhesive, and that's all there is to this card. How cute is this? The colors are beautiful in this kit. The images are so fun and beautiful. Here's a little close-up. Look at how cute that is with her just dimensional popping off the front there. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and come back real soon for another sneak peek and an unboxing. Remember that you can order this kit only until April 15th. I'll have the links and the descriptions in the description box below. So go ahead and click on that for more information. And thank you so much for stopping by today. I had a great time putting this card together. I hope you enjoyed it too. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.